Asma Studios presents low-calorie meal habanero dipped scrambled eggs. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolk and whisk it properly. Take some vegetables like broccoli, onion, tomatoes and mushrooms. Now gently put the flame on and take coconut oil, almost 1 or 1/4 tablespoon, in a non-stick pan and spread it evenly. Heat it up and put ginger garlic paste, almost 1 teaspoon, and saute it. Also transfer all the veggies into the same oil. Now gently saute all these veggies for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the seasoning: salt, black pepper, oregano, red paprika powder. Now I'm taking dipped habanero sauce and I'm just sprinkling it on the top of the veggies. Now I'm again saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in the same low flame. Next I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of rolled or quick oats into the same pan. And at the same time I'm going to add the whisked egg so that the oats will also get cooked in the same liquid of the eggs. Here I'm going to scramble the eggs within the vegetables so that it gives a very nice crispy texture to all these veggies, and it gives a very protein powered meal that is going to ready. I'm now garnishing it with some coriander, and again I'm adding some black pepper for your taste. Now I'm going to dish it out, and it's a very protein rich low calorie meal. You can add or subtract veggies according to your taste. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up, share and enjoy.